Soil tests, a tool to drive fertilizer demand. Soil tests were introduced to boost fertilizer demand after disrupting natural soil ecosystems and fertility principles. Offered free of cost, soil tests highlight deficiencies caused by industrial farming practices. What is a soil test? A process measuring plant available elements, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, sulfur, manganese, copper, zinc, etc., and pH levels. Based on the results, fertilizer recommendations are made, driving demand. Soil tests are a marketing tool for the fertilizer industry, convincing farmers of deficiencies while ignoring abundant, naturally occurring minerals. Microbes naturally convert these minerals into plant-available forms, maintaining a balanced ecosystem without chemical fertilizers. PQNK thrives on mineral abundance, thanks to microbes.